Hey, everyone! In this video I'll be reviewing the COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE5QT model. I wanted to share my thoughts on how it performs and its key features to help you determine if it's the right air fryer for your kitchen. Let's start with the main benefit, air frying with less oil. COSORI claims you can reduce oil by up to 85% compared to deep frying thanks to the Pro LE's rapid 360-degree heat circulation. It moves air fast around your food to achieve that crispy fried texture with way less grease. Now, COSORI isn't skimping on the heat, this baby can hit temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough for super quick preheating and crisping your wings, fries, and other favorites fast. There's also some nice extras like automatic shake reminders. You can set alerts to prompt you when to toss those fries halfway through cooking. No more guessing when they need a flip. In terms of capacity, the 5-quart basket holds enough food for 1 to 4 people. I found it roomy enough for cooking full dinners, but not so huge it takes up your whole counter. The square shape even lets you sneak in a small pizza. Cleanup is a breeze with a dishwasher-safe basket and parts. And COSORI uses non-toxic, PFOA-free materials, which is great peace of mind when cooking at high heat. Operation is pretty straightforward with the LED display and preset function buttons. While not as fancy as some Wi-Fi models, I liked the simplicity. And for recipes, a guide with 30 air fryer recipes comes included. Now, it does make some fan noise when running, but I found it less disruptive than other models. You can hold a conversation over it no problem. So in summary, if you're looking for a solid mid-sized air fryer that can cook crispy fried favorites for 1 to 4 people without loads of oil, the COSORI Pro LE is definitely worth a close look. It's a really nice package for the price point. Well, that's my take. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.